Okay guys, welcome to class from where we left. So today we are going to say that when we react to metal with an acid, we expect salt and something we call hydrogen gas. Now you understand that the salt that will be formed after the reaction must be the corresponding metal with an acid that we reacted. Now let's take an example. Sodium. If you haven't watched other tutorials, kindly go back. But we are reacting sodium, which is solid, plus an acid which is like HCl, which is aqueous. We expect a salt which is sodium chloride, which is aqueous, plus hydrogen gas. Now after you've reacted metal with an acid, you form a salt plus hydrogen gas, as we had stated earlier in the equation. But if you look at this equation, it is not yet balanced. Now how do we go about balancing? I will tell you something. If at any case you form a product that isn't in the product, if you form anything else apart from the elements that you used in the reaction, the equation will never balance. So let's come to the reactant side and the product. The reactant side and the product side. So we have one sodium. Sodium is equals to 1. We have one hydrogen, and we have something like chlorine, which is 1 at the side. Then we go to the product side. We have one sodium, we have two hydrogens. Now listen careful. Here we have two, don't mind me. We also have something called chlorine, which is 1 at our equation. Now how do we solve this? On the product side we have two hydrogens, but when we come to the reactant side we have 1. So we just multiply this by 2 and we put that 2 here. You can see, so hydrogen and hydrogen, both sides are balanced. But look at this, these two apply to hydrogen and chlorine. So we also have 2 chlorine now, this time on the reactant side. So we multiply by 2, and on the same time when we go to the product side we multiply by 2. This means we have 2 chlorines this side, of which have not appeared. So these 2 that we've just added here, we put it here. So look at this. On the product side we have 2 sodium, 2 chlorine. So let's put it here. We have 2 sodium, 2 chlorine, 2 hydrogen. When we go back to the reactant, all the products we used to react, we have 1 sodium. What do? We just multiply by 2. If we multiply by 2 here and we put these 2 here, it then means we've balanced our equation. Note their state. This is gas, right? This is aqueous, and solid. Now this equation is balanced. Note, metal plus an acid is equals to salt and hydrogen gas. All metals, actually, that's what I'll tell you. And for that I'll give you another try this trial. I'm going to give you a very simple equation. React any other metal with an acid. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more.